So for the last 3 years, I've been driving a 2021 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road Premium in super white paint that I call Franklin. I bought it brand new with a whopping 1 mile on the odometer, and we've had a lot of fun with it. It's a great vehicle for exploring the woods, and the dogs love riding in it too. And then a tree fell on it. So I had to figure out what would be a good vehicle to replace a 2021 TRD Off-Road Premium 4Runner. And man, am I excited to show y'all my next vehicle. Here it is. No, not that one. That one. Yep, I replaced my 2021 TRD Off-Road Premium 4Runner in super white with a 2021 TRD Off-Road Premium 4Runner in super white. I wasn't dead set on that year or color combo, but this one showed up and the price was right, so now it's mine. I call her Frankie, and she's had a little bit of work done. Going roughly from top to bottom, we have a Roof Nest Falcon 1 rooftop tent with crossbars, and a Yakima Slim Shady awning mounted to a Victory 4x4 roof rack. The tire carrier is an Ultra Swing from Rigged Supply, and it also has their Ultra table on it that folds down. The ladder, side panel to mount accessories, rock sliders, and the front skid plates are all from Victory 4x4. For lights on the roof rack, there are side lights from Victory 4x4, and a 40-inch light bar from Baja Designs. The tires are General Grabber AT3s in 275 70 R17, so they're a true 32-inch tire and just a little bit bigger than stock. It has a Dobinson's IMS setup that lifts at about 3 inches and rough country upper control arms. It also has KDSS, which my last 4Runner did not have. And between the KDSS and the aftermarket suspension, there really isn't much body roll, unlike my last 4Runner that would roll, dive, and squat with any input. In the back, there's a Dometic fridge on a slide-out tray. I think it's a CFX3 55 IM. It's powered by a dual battery kit from Genesis Off-Road and includes their G screen to monitor each battery's voltage in the cab. So that's my new 4Runner. It started life in California and then moved to Georgia, which is where I bought it, and now it lives in Alabama with me. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to see all the fun that lies ahead.
Oh, no.